Vivo's upcoming X200T has been leaking a lot lately, and now the brand has finally decided to start the official teaser campaign for it. It's coming soon, as you can see, and will be part of Flipkart's Republic Day sale, which starts on January 17th with early access from January 16th. Vivo has also revealed the phone's camera island, which is circular. Zeiss optics are confirmed too, as is the presence of a periscope telephoto camera. Past rumors have claimed that the X200T has a 6.67-inch 1260 by 2800 AMOLED screen with 120 Hz refresh rate, the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus SoC at the helm, a 50-megapixel main camera using the Sony Lytia 702 sensor with OIS, a 50-megapixel ultrawide using the Samsung ISOCELL JN1 sensor, a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto camera using the Sony Lytia 600 sensor, a 32-megapixel front-facing camera, and a 6,200 mAh battery with support for 90-watt wired charging and 40-watt wireless charging. It has an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint scanner, eSIM support, and is IP68 and IP69 rated for dust and water resistance. It will run Android 16 with Origin OS 6 on top, and will apparently get a promise of 5 major Android updates plus 7 years of security patches.